Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. Just go ahead and go over the setting right here. Once you're there, scroll down a bit and click on the messages option right here. What you do first is turn off the iMessage section and turn it on again. As you can see here, this is waiting for activation. Then it should be activated only in a few minutes. But if it shows error in your end, what you can do is swipe down at the top right corner of your screen and turn on the airplane mode by clicking on the airplane icon right there and turn it off again. That will restart the connection you have in your phone and will somehow fix the failing activation that causes your iMessage not to work properly. If that still does not work, what you can also do is to sign out of your Apple ID. Just click on your account right here. Just scroll down a little bit until you find the sign out option. Just click on that and then sign in again. Try activating your iMessage again and that should fix the problem. But if still does not work, make sure your iOS is up to date. Just go to General, click Software Update, and wait for it to check for an update. If there is an update available, you can just go for it and get your iMessage issue get fixed. But if all of that still does not work, you can just restart your phone by clicking on this white button here. Click the device option, click More, and hit Restart. After that, check on the messages option again, and hopefully that would fix the problem. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.